Have you ever wondered why your skin looks more textured with foundation? That's just what makeup does. Your skin is naturally translucent if you didn't know, so the bumps don't show as much when you don't have makeup on. But makeup is opaque. So now the bumps and the fine lines and the pores on your face reflect light and catch shadows more when you apply makeup. And for that reason, when you apply makeup, you show more texture. But there are several different ways by which you can reduce the appearance of texture on your face. First, it's important to remove the unwanted bumps that already exist on your skin by exfoliating once or twice a week. I like to use the Elmis resurfacing facial pads to gently remove any dead skin or dead cells sitting on the top layer of my skin, which can create more texture when you apply makeup directly over it. Exfoliating helps to keep your skin silky, soft, and smooth by buffing away and removing dead skin cells. On the same lines, I also like to remove the peach fuzz on my face using a face razor. This step is optional. I understand not everybody is comfortable shaving your face, but it has only done wonders for me. And no, your hair doesn't grow back thicker. It just grows back the way it was before you shaved your face. And by shaving your face, your skin will appear smoother. If you're not used to icing or cooling your face, this might be your sign to start doing it. I use cooling pads that I leave in the refrigerator for some time. You can also use ice packs. And I gently press it on my face, and that'll help to reduce the size of pores on your face. Larger the pore size, more textured your makeup will appear. So when you reduce the size of your pores, your makeup will look more smooth. Another reason your face might look extremely textured after applying makeup is because you're not blurring your face to begin with. A primer can help you do just that. And I'm going to be using the Rose Primer by Milani today, and applying a generous amount all over my face, and I'm going to focus this especially in areas where I have those pores, those fine lines and texture on my face. The primer will fill in the pores and fine lines and give you that smooth canvas before applying any other makeup over it. So it provides that blurring effect. So when you apply makeup over it, it's not going to settle in the fine lines and pores and gives you that smooth finish. Another reason why your skin might look so textured after makeup is because you might be using the wrong foundation. Foundation decision is to be made based on skin type. Dry skins will take to water-based formulas and creams pretty well. Oily skin pairs best with silicone-based formula that sets matte. In-between skin types will work best with satin finish liquid foundation. Speaking of foundation, another reason why your skin might appear more textured is because you might be applying your foundation wrong. Make sure you're using the best tool for the product that you're applying. Applicators are best chosen based on foundation formula. Liquids work best with sponges or foundation brushes with soft fibers used in a dabbing motion rather than a brushing motion. If you're using a cream-based foundation, then a flat synthetic brush works best. And of course, you can use your fingers at any time to apply any kind of foundation for a more natural finish. I personally like to apply my foundation with a foundation brush, and then I like to use a dry sponge over it to blot the excess. Overlayering your concealer might be the biggest culprit of texture. Social media trends have led to applying concealer in a way that looks great on camera, but makes your skin look extremely textured in person. Concealers are meant to conceal your uneven skin tone by giving you more coverage that a foundation cannot. So all you need is very little in areas where you have uneven skin tone, like your dark circles, patches, and spots. If you feel like you need more coverage, you can always add a little bit more to build it up rather than applying too much at one time, even when your skin doesn't require that much. A fabulous way to make your skin appear less textured after makeup application is by rehydrating your skin using a skin mist. Today I'm going to be using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and spraying a generous amount all over my face. A skin mist is not a setting spray and it's not going to lock your makeup. Think of it as a spray moisturizer. So it's going to help to hydrate your skin and melt all the makeup to give you a more skin-like finish. As I said, these are spray-on moisturizers that can be applied over makeup to give you that beautiful glowy skin. Or with this, you can use a setting spray to lock your makeup. One main reason why your face can look overly textured after applying makeup is when you use too much highlighter over textured skin. Remember that highlighting your face will highlight the areas that you apply it on, including pores, fine lines, and texture. If you want the glow without emphasizing your texture, choose those areas that have less texture to highlight. For me, the highest points of my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, and the bridge and tip of my nose have less texture, and that's where I'll be applying my highlighter. Last but not least, setting your foundation with a compact or pressed powder can make you look more textured. That's because pressed powders or compact are sometimes called powder foundations because they're thicker than translucent or setting powders. Instead, try setting your face with a loose or a setting powder. Those are much lighter than compact and pressed powders. I'd love to know which of these applies to you and why do you think or not think that your skin looks more textured after makeup. Let me know in comment section below, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.